Good morning everyone. Today we are gathered to celebrate Blue Day. So blue is the brightest color. So initially in this program I want to introduce our honorable correspondent sir and respected principal and esteemed teachers and our twinkling stars. So our twinkling stars dressed in blue color. So it represents the sky. So the blue symbolizes the vast sea and the deepest ocean, and along with the vast sky. So let me dive into the celebration.
Good evening everyone. As we come to the end of wonderful Blue Day celebration, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am for your constant guidance and encouragement. A special thank you all teachers for your teamwork, dedication and hard work to make this event so special. A big round of applause for our little star whose smiles, bright and enthusiastic participation is made this truly beautiful. Thank you all once again. Celebration joyful and memorable one. Have a wonderful day. Thank you all.